okay? I'm not as decorated as these gentlemen here. I'm putting my hat in the ring here and hoping for your support. But my accomplishments that I'm very proud of are first and foremost raising my kids to be responsible, self-motivated, responsible citizens in Highland Township for their whole entire life. I've ran my business for 28 years. Started it out with just my paycheck and my little itty bitty pickup truck, and made it to the business that it is today, and taken over the Sunday school, the adult Sunday school at my church. I was asked, hey Kevin, do you think you could just take this over temporarily until we find somebody to do this for us? I said, yeah, sure, I'm willing to do that, not a problem. Well, I think that was about 7 years ago, but they're still looking, I think. I don't know. But finest moments of my life, and I think all of those things have prepared me to be able to tackle the next step in my life and be just as successful as I have all of those. Thank you.